Hey, fellow tribers. Paula Robbins here. Such a grateful member of Tribe. I have structure, I have wisdom and experience of others, especially Stu, and there are people with just some amazing heart that are a part of this and that have come together to share and support each other. It's remarkable. I've wanted to do a membership for many years in my business and haven't known how, have been intimidated by it, so I haven't even considered it until now. And with Stu's experience, with the experience of many of the other tribers, with Stu's humor and Stu's heart, this is a no-fail effort. And I am just really, truly grateful to be literally taking my life, my message, my business forward into the next level. And I am walking on purpose. And it's a really amazing thing to just be a part of this. So thank you all for your contribution. And most of all, thank you, Stu. Your heart is amazing. Your wisdom and experience is amazing. And I am just very, very grateful. Thank you.